If you're a freelancer or a small agency and you still rely on Behance or Dribble to get discovered, find clients, or just to be a part of the design community, well, forget about these platforms. In this video, I want to tell you about Contra. I believe this is the ultimate platform for all creatives right now, especially if you're doing web design or building websites on Framer or Webflow. In this video, I will tell you highlights of Contra and tell you some pro tips how you can update your profile to get more views and to get discovered by potential clients. Here on the platform, you can find clients, get discovered, show your portfolio, and be a part of the community, as the latest update from Contra, which was closed for public for about a year, but now it's open, and now you can talk to other creatives, get your professional feedback, or just show what you're working on right now. Hi, my name is Sergey and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like the video if you like it and subscribe if you haven't already. So if you're not on this platform yet, follow the link in the description below, and this is my invite for you to this platform. All right, so I logged in to my Contra account, and this is my personal account. I also have a second one for my agency. And by recent update, when we log in, we get into a community page, and this is our dashboard. Basically, this is the front page. And the important thing is that I see this as an alternative to Twitter. Because here I can look at what people are doing. Basically, you can post your work here, get feedback from other professionals, and you can just see the trends here. So I don't have to go to Twitter anymore or to Dribble to see what is trending. And the most important thing about community is that by posting here, first of all, you get discovery score more, and you will get a potential client views, and potential clients can find you here and invite you to a project. So this is another way to get discovered. So this is super important. No other platform has this. Another cool thing on Contra are the challenges. And these are basically collaborations with other startups or other companies. For example, currently, there's a challenge for Magic Path, and I had few videos on my channel about Magic Path. Don't forget to watch them if you haven't. And you can participate in these challenges and get some money. For example, these I think are 10K prizes for Magic Path. And this is a really cool thing, to be in the community, to be around other people who are engaged in design. For example, in this case, with Magic Path, discovery score is super important. It affects the algorithm and it affects how you are placed in the discovery page. This is the place where potential clients can find you. And here you can search for other people if you need some help. They're sorted by type of work. For example, this is the framer, and this is just a branding. This is video projects, and this is standout projects. This is recommended stuff. To get more points, actually, you need to update your profile. So you need to show off your portfolio, and the important thing is that here you need to have a good description of your project. It's like a case study, so similar to Behance. And then you have to have a good description for a small description. I guess it's like a metadata for the project. So basically, let me show you what this is. So I go to edit. Just let me press continue here. Here, I have a title and I have a description, and description is under 160 characters. And this is important. I guess this is meta description. This is meta title. This is good for SEO. So you need to fill this out. Also, you need to show off your skills here, the tools that you use, and maybe a link to a completed project if it's a web project or something like that. Also, you can get verified. You can link this to a project that you did on Contra. And I think the verified projects should be, yeah, there should be above $500 to get this badge. So this is one of the things that you need to do to get exposed and to get more scores on a Contra. Another very important thing is to get reviews. So please ask all of your clients to leave a review. It can be like a really small review, like basically a few words, or something bigger, more interesting. The next thing is services. You need to update all of your services, and you need to tell what you're doing there, and to show what's included in the package or what's included in this service, and what this service is about. So basically you need to write all the things down. These are like crucial things that you have to do. Then you can go to a jobs page and look for clients, or look for projects that you want to participate in. Also, Contra uses AI to recommend you different projects already. So this is the for you. This is what Contra recommends based on my skill set. And I can find something here, and you see full-time framer, web design developer. I can click contact and go to the page and apply. Just a pro tip, you can link projects that are on Contra here. And this is really good to have because it will, again, make you more interesting in the eyes of the client. And here you give a short description why the client should work with you. So usually what we do, we tell our services, really in short, like 1 or 2 sentences, and we also give some links to the projects that are live. So here we can get the projects that are on Contra, but here we give links to the projects that are not on Contra, just like websites of our clients. And of course, you need to give some explanation about benefits that the clients will have. So maybe about like 3 or 4 benefits that you can give to a client and deliver value to them, how you do that. Another important thing to have on your profile are the badges. Here I'll show you Daniel. He's like one of the most successful creatives on the platform. And here you can see that he's got the top independent, instant expert, and 17 more badges. So these things that you get if you're qualified and you qualify your skill. So if you get this badge, Contra will promote you the jobs that involve framer development or design, or for example, you can be a Webflow expert or both, and get more opportunities and get more discovery for the jobs that involve these kind of tasks. Another cool feature of Contra is their AI agent, which is called Indy or Indy. Basically, how this works, this AI agent finds jobs or opportunities on LinkedIn and X if you install this plugin to your Chrome browser. And this is really cool that it searches the web for you, so you don't have to do anything. It just searches the web for different opportunities, for example, for website development or design, and sends you this data and sends you this invites to these projects, and this is super cool. So you can save a lot of time. Payouts, they're really simple, and you just have to link your bank account or even crypto wallet, and you can get your money out when they're ready. I think you need to have for the first payout, I think it's about 100 or 200 bucks in your balance to get your first payout. I don't remember. Currently, I have 1, 2, 3 dollars on my balance, so I just keep them there in case I need to use them for something. But it's really easy to get them out. Also, you need to provide your ID verification, and you need to provide your tax details depending where you're located and where your tax residency is. One more pro tip: how to get discovered on Contra and how to be more appealing to the algorithm and get more discovery scores is, of course, to get paid on the platform, because this platform likes everyone who is getting paid. That means that you're interesting to the potential clients, and of course they want to earn some money as well. So if you're not being discovered right now, but you have clients outside of Contra, for example, offline clients or some online clients on other platforms or just anywhere, basically what you can do, especially if you're a freelancer, you can invite them to Contra so they can sign a contract with you, get invoiced on Contra, and pay you on Contra, not directly to your bank account. This way, the algorithm will see that you're working with clients, you're inviting them to Contra, so that makes your profile more appealing and more interesting to the algorithm, and it will promote you more on the platform. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to say hi to me on Contra. And if you don't have a profile there yet, follow my invite link in the description below to get your seat on Contra. And also don't forget to like this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.